Okay, let's go ahead and do 2 and 3. Part 3 of all 3 videos that we're going to do. So same thing, axes are going to be the same, negative 2 pi, 2 pi, pi, negative pi, negative pi over 2. All of the same coordinates. But here we're subtracting 3, so we know the smallest value of our cosine function is negative 1. So I'm going to need to at least go down to negative 3, or negative 4, sorry. So I'm going to do that in that direction, 2, 3, 4. Now I'm going to do the cosine parent function. So here, cosine parent function starts at 0, 1, starts, if you will, and then this is the parent function for cosine. Okay. Now, once you have that, if you want to try and graph this, I would recommend that, pausing it, trying it. But what we're doing is, since it's minus 3 outside, there's nothing inside, we just move we shift the points down 3. So I take, let's start right to left, if you will. This point down 3. 1, 2, 3. This point down 3. 1, 2, 3. This point down 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And I'm just going to do one more. 1, 2, 3. So we get a nice looking curve. We could do all of them if we wanted to, but we'll definitely these 3, or those points. And so that would be our cosine function shifted down 3, or in function form, negative 3 plus cosine of x. Okay. One more, do number 3. If you want to try it on your own first and then watch it, that's fine. But I'm going to keep the scale the same. And then we're going to have to go down 4. Again, we know the lowest is cosine, so we know the lowest value of cosine is at negative 1. So we're going to have to go down to negative 5. I'm going to do the other ones. And I'm just going to do up to 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Again, cosine parent function starts at 0, quote unquote, starts at 0, 1. So again, draw the parent function. And it's going to look a little bit different than the other graph because of scaling, and that's okay. Okay. If you don't understand why the parent function looks like this, definitely go back to previous videos, previous notes, make sure you understand that. Now here's the thing, I'm shifting to the right, because it's minus 3 pi over 2, to the right 3 pi over 2, and then down 4. But let's think about this. Here, I notice from 0 to 3 pi over 2, if I were to go to the right, 3 pi over 2 would be 1, 2, 3 tick marks. 1, 2, 3 tick marks. So if I'm starting at this point here, let's start here and I'll graph these points. I'm going to go to the right 3 pi over 2, or 3 tick marks, and then down 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. I just graphed that one. I'm going to put a check next to it. Let's do a similar thing here. We said 3 pi over 2 is 1, 2, 3 tick marks. So 1, 2, 3 tick marks. Down 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here, if I go to the right 3 tick marks, I'm off my graph. So I just did that one. I'm actually going to go left now. This point, 3 pi over 2 to the right, 3 tick marks. 1, 2, 3. Down 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Graph that one. Here, to the right, 3 pi over 2, or 3 tick marks. 1, 2, 3. Down 4. Oh, wow, I need to be here. 1, 2, 3. Down 4. 1, 2, 3. Did I mess up somewhere? Sorry, here. To the right, 1, 2, 3 tick marks. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then one more. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. And so this is our transformed function. Now, I would definitely recommend going further, 4, 5, and 6. Don't do 4, try to graph number 4, using what we talked about in number 1 up here. Do 5 and 6, try them, and then stop here. This is for the next class. These notes, which is, don't use these notes for moving forward. I made a new set of guided notes. Don't use these. These will be for September 8th and 9th, and I'll post those videos when we get to that concept.